Alright, so welcome back to the Architects Workshop. I'm Lola of Thor. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your railing be continuous and to show in 3D while you work on bringing in the railing. Obviously, your graphics card has to support your ministry, but I'll just show you the settings that you can apply to make it show like this. So let's get into it. So the first thing you do is when you click on railing, you have to click on preview. This preview button on the tab. So it's this preview button that lets the railing show in 3D view like this while you're applying it. If I click or turn off this preview, you see that I'm just left with a line. Another thing you notice is while I walk on the railing, I'm bringing it, drawing my pattern or my path for the railing. You notice that the line is continuous like a chain. It just continues moving. Now, that setting is on this ribbon over here. If I turn off this chain over here, what's going to happen is when I click one, I have to click on that point again before I can move. And that can be very frustrating if you're doing a very long railing on a very long wall. So all you have to do is just, I would advise, let me delete all of this. Turn on the preview, right? And turn on the chain, pick the path you want your railing to go into, and just draw and have fun with it. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope it helps you out on your design journey. Until next time, I'm Lola of Thor. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.